Hey guys, today I have a Whirlpool 26 cubic foot side-by-side refrigerator, and I'm gonna show you that everything on it here is working perfect. So first thing I'll show you is the ice maker water dispenser. You can turn the light on, you can lock this out so the kids can't mess with it, and then you have a choice of cubed or crushed ice. So let me grab my cup here and we'll just do the ice first. Okay, there's our ice cubes. Let's switch it to crushed. Okay, awesome. And then we got our water here. Okay, and you see all that works perfect. Now on the inside, I've got a couple of thermometers that are gonna show you the correct temperature. I've got the fridge side turned all the way up, and then the freezer I have on the recommended setting. So let's go ahead and open these up, show you the inside. Nice and clean, plenty of space. All the drawers on the doors and inside work perfect. See, we're sitting right at 30. Hit that real quick, take a picture of that. So that's pretty cold. You wouldn't need it that cold. And what you do is you just come up here on this setting and slide it over to recommended. And then on the freezer, if you wanted that colder, you could slide that over, and I'll show you what that is here in just a sec. But you've got your drawers here. Plenty of space, plenty of space. Oh, and the tag right up here. You wanna pause and read that. And then on this side, go ahead and open this up. Sitting right at just above 10. And typically this will run on that recommended setting between 0 and 10 as it kind of cycles. Plenty of ice there. This actually come down and cover that up. So you got storage up top. Down on the bottom, this little drawer pulls out. And then you've got space along the door as well. So now I believe the freezer on its max setting. So if we go back over here and if we crank this all the way up, you know, maybe just put this back down on recommended, that's gonna get the freezer down to -15. So you wouldn't necessarily need it that cold either. The recommended setting is about between 0 and 2, I believe. And like I said, as it goes through its defrost cycles, it can get up to 10, but then it's gonna drop right back down. And then on the refrigerator, recommended setting is between 38 and 42, kind of fluctuates as well with the defrost cycle. So we'll go ahead and set those to the recommended settings now. And that's gonna be it, guys. Now you know everything on it works perfect. We'll go ahead and get it listed up for sale. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. Do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks, you guys have a great day.